In this video, we're going to show you how to do a header calibration on a corn head. For this example, we're using an S790 with a 608C corn head. First step we're going to do is go to Main Menu, Machine Settings, Calibrations and Procedures, then the header button. We've already done the feeder house raise speed calibration, which is the first step. Now we're going to do the header calibration. And hit Calibrate. And make sure we're set on high idle. Got the feeder house lowered to the ground. We hit Start. We have to have the fore and aft tilt on 0. So I'm going to press that button and hold it. It'll go to the next step when we hit 0. Got the feeder house lowered to the ground. Hit Next. We'll press and hold the raise switch. The head will slowly raise up. And we've completed the first step of this calibration. We hit Save. On the next step, it's going to ask us if we want to go ahead and do the AHC performance tuning. This calibrates how the header adjusts while running through the field. So we're going to hit Next. We're going to press and hold the lower switch. Sometimes when doing this calibration, if one of your snouts flips up with the sensor on it, if you roll slightly forward, it'll let that sensor fall down and it'll continue the calibration. Once we're done, we hit Save, and that's the end.